Hello everyone, welcome back to a series of data science with Python. So today's topic is k-mean clustering. By the end of this video, you will know how to implement it in Python and understand how it works behind the scenes. So let's jump right in. Alright, let's start with a quick overview. K-means clustering. K-means clustering groups data into clusters based on their similarity. The K represents the number of clusters you want to create. Now let's apply this using Python. So first we will import the necessary libraries. Make sure you have NumPy, Matplotlib and skitlearn installed. Let's write the code. So these are the important libraries we are going to use throughout this program. So done. These libraries will handle data manipulation, visualization and clustering. Now, next we will create a sample data set. For simplicity, let's use the random data set with two features. For that, let's write the code. This will create a random data set with three clusters, 300 samples, random state 42 and cluster standard 1.2. Now, through this, we will visualize the data set. As our data set represent as a point in a 2D space. Let's group them into clusters. So applying k-mean clustering. Now for the fun part, clustering with k-means, we will set the number of clusters to 3 since we know that's how many are in our data set. As we said it right here that centers equals to 3. This means we have 3 clusters. So we know we will use that information and through this k-mean function and cluster equals to 3, random state equals to 42. Let's k-mean dot fit equals to x is a variable and get the cluster assignments in the centroids. Labels equals to k-means dot labels, centroid equals to k-means dot cluster centers. With just few lines, with just these few lines of code, we have clustered the data and obtained the cluster centroids. So now we will visualize the data that we create, data and the k-mean cluster that we have created. So for that we will use the graph, scatter plot. So this is how we will plot this, and there you have it. Each color represents a cluster, and the red X marks are the cluster centroids. So let's run this code. So we have imported our libraries. So let's run these. Then we have created a random data set with three clusters. Now we will visualize this data set. Now we'll do k-mean clustering. We know the clusters are three. So let's run this. Now get the cluster assignments in centroids. So labels equals to and centroid equals to, we will give this variables labels and cluster centers. Now we will plot these data on the graph, and this graph will show the k-mean clustering. Yes, so here's the output. Yes. K-mean is that simple. You can use it for customer segmentation, image compression, and so much more. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical machine learning tutorials. Thank you.